Hey guys, this is Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in all sorts of condition in Louisiana. I'm here at this property we're just purchasing in Jefferson Parish. It was an inherited property. The person who's inheriting it, the heir, she lives out of state and she inherited the house. The person had passed away while living here. There's still a lot of belongings in the house, mostly stuff that they don't really want. So look, they just wanted to sell the house and move on. They're selling it to us as is, so we're purchasing it with the belongings in place. So we'll donate what we can to charity and dumpster the rest of it and fix up this house. If you have a look around, you know, it's not in very good condition. So, you know, it's gonna need a good clear out. It's gonna need a fair bit of work done to bring it back. So, but that's fine, you know. We buy houses in as-is condition, so, you know, while this is rough and definitely not ready to list on the MLS with a realtor, you know, no homeowner is ready to buy this, but, you know, an investor like us, this is fine. We purchase properties like this and do it up. We put our expertise, our money, our energy into doing up the property for a new homeowner or for a rental. So look, if you have a house that you're looking to sell in Louisiana, reach out to us and discuss how we could potentially be a buyer. If we do end up being your buyer, we pay cash, so it means there's no bank financing. We don't need to, you know, a bank wouldn't really lend money on this anyway. You know, obviously they need to get their inspections and make sure the house is in a certain condition. So look, when we buy it, we don't need to do that. It also means we can move fast. As soon as we can clear title, we can purchase a house. So, you know, if you are in a hurry, we can help you out there as well. So look guys, reach out to us. Homebuyerlouisiana.com is our website. You can give us a call on the number there or fill in our online form. We're always happy to chat, give you some advice. Even if we don't end up being your buyer, we're still happy just to give you some options and discuss, you know, what might be best for you. So thanks guys. Reach out to us if you're selling a house or know someone that is, and have a great day. Thank you.